Ew. Hey, look it. If they didn't know, they gonna know now. Look it. Hey, it's legendary, and I'm back at it again with another one. You know the what the fuck moments? Yeah, look it. I got girl who's about to get a train ran on her lies to her man on the phone. Girl who's about to get a train ran on her lies on the phone to her boyfriend. These hoes ain't shit for one. You feel me? We gonna get into it. Hey, Chris Brown said these hoes ain't loyal. It's a telltale sign just off the title. We gonna get into it.
Gang.
Why don't you believe me? I'm not even doing nothing. I'm with my girlfriend and her gay brother. I don't understand.
Hello? Yeah. You shouldn't even be talking to her like that. Like, that's so disrespectful. Like,
Oh
my God. What's wrong with that? Oh my God. Like, why you keep explaining yourself to him, girl? Like, that's it. Explain yourself. Leave that nigga alone. He don't believe you. Leave that nigga alone.
Ew. These niggas ain't shit. It was at the end of the video. What the fuck? Did y'all see that shit? Hold up, swole up, jacked in the middle. Jack Frog, Leapfrog. These niggas put on a whole ass voice and she just in the background laughing like. I need to know what the fuck happened afterwards. Did they fuck? What did they do? Did they really fuck? Or like this is like a whole little spoof spit. What the? Man, I just want to know. Hold up.
Gang.
Why don't you believe me? I'm not even doing nothing.
He probably not even a real gangbanger.
My girlfriend and her gay brother. I don't understand.
Hello? Yeah. You shouldn't even be talking to her like that. Like, that's so disrespectful.
All these niggas in the video look sus. All these niggas in the video look sus, bruh. I don't believe none of these niggas about to pipe her. They lying off tops, nigga. Hold up, we gonna read the comments. Cause like, I kid you not, I don't think nobody convinced they fuck. Dead ass boo 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 boo. Man, Sausage Fest highly suspect behavior. Like, fuck out of here, bro. These niggas did not fuck this girl. But I'm just mad these niggas really wanted a whole female voice. Hold up.
Be talking to her like that. Like, that's so disrespectful. Like, oh my God.
Look at.
What's wrong with that? Oh my God.
This nigga, the nigga with the braids look like he did it before.
Girl, like, that's it. Explain yourself. Leave that nigga alone. He don't believe you. Leave that nigga alone.
Like, they knew. They did this before. This ain't they first rodeo. Nah, they had me convinced that they fucking, but they gay. Alright, bet. We're gonna end it like there. And until next time, y'all ain't about to get